Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how to set up BIOS and install Windows from BIOS setup. This is ASUS A53E laptop. We will need a bootable pen drive for Windows installation. Press power button and pressing again and again Del. After coming the window, we will go to boot, and here you see first boot priority. There is selected already HDD. We will select the pen drive in first boot priority because we will install Windows directly from the pen drive without boot menu. Here you see GPT, but I will create partition MBR. For that, we will go hard disk BBS and select pen drive here. This is MBR. I will select the pen drive in first boot priority. We will go back. The hard disk has moved the second boot priority. Now you see the MBR pen drive is located in first boot priority. If we want to select MBR partition style pen drive as the first boot priority, we need to go to the hard disk BBS. F10 for save, and it will automatically run from pen drive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.